Nvidia's worst nightmare might finally be here, because AMD has a genius plan with their RX 10000 GPUs. And trust me, gamers are about to love this. Hello and welcome everyone to Gamer Crate. See, when DLSS and FSR launched, they were marketed as optional boosts, trade a bit of graphics quality for higher FPS. Cool, right? But now, devs are abusing it. Instead of optimizing games, they just throw in upscaling and frame gen. Borderlands 4 is the perfect example. The trailer shows DLSS 4 with multi-frame gen, but the truth? That shiny 260 FPS is actually closer to 65 once you factor in frame generation. And yes, Nvidia ran that demo on an RTX 5090. The latency? Worse than native 65 FPS. And visually? It barely looks better than Borderlands 3. This is why gamers are pissed. $1,000 GPU choking on a cartoon-style shooter? Yeah, no thanks. Meanwhile, Nvidia's starting to sweat. Just days after reports of price cuts, the RTX 5070 Ti is already down to MSRP with Borderlands 4 thrown in for free. In Europe, prices are dropping nearly 10%. If sales were strong, Nvidia wouldn't be doing this. And that's where AMD steps in. Their new UDNA architecture unifies gaming and AI, so high-end chips are flexible. If gaming demand slows, they sell them as AI cards. If AI dips, those chips go back into gaming GPUs. It's a win-win strategy. The last time AMD went hard on the high end, they dropped the R9 295 by too crazy fast but a total disaster. This time, with MCM design and flexible production, they're avoiding that mistake and finally taking the fight to Nvidia. Last but not least, gamers are fed up with lazy optimization, Nvidia is losing its grip on prices, and AMD may finally have the perfect high-end strategy.